Hi, boys and girls. I hope this is on. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. I know I shouldn't do this too early, but see, that's much medications. I got about 5 vials because 2 of my vials I got to talk to the doctor. Uh, Cheers. Son of a bitch. That keeps me alive. Another trick with these, if you have some kind of particulate in the eye, fill it up with sterile saline solution, put it over the eye, tilt the head back, tilt the head down, and this will take out the crap in your eye. I learned that overseas when I was doing missionary work, and we had a lot of volcanic activity. Now, Uncle Alan's a little tired. Yeah, Uncle Alan's a little nuts, but he's not going to give up. He's going to try to die and save America and all you nice women and children, and he's even going to save Hubble's cat. Doesn't matter if he dies in the process. He's nuts. Hi, I'm Dino. Hi, Ontario Pepper. Oh, like my little faithful dinosaur companion. Yeah, I am nuts. I'm stubborn. I finally find Hubble's cat's address in Ontario, so I'm going to try to send him. Damn it, there goes my glaucoma medication. Always love that. I got little tiny bottles, $75 each, because the state won't cover it, and I got to pay it out of my own pocket. Okay, a thank you card, the sixth one. I don't know what CBI or the Royal Canadian Police Force are doing to these thank you cards, but I don't care. I'm stubborn. I'm Japanese, and you don't want to get an angry, stubborn Japanese sending you stuff because I don't quit. No, I don't feel good. Not a problem. Uncle Alan's an old war horse. A lot of people, like my nephews, think I'm fantasizing a lot of this, and they find out and they see pictures in National Geographic or see that volcano thing and see a few other clips. I've been on television like 84 times, and I've been on videos and stuff, and nobody recognized me because A, I didn't look like this, and B, I had a Bruce Lee haircut back in the 80s and 90s. And it kind of freaks people out because you see me with an old school M16 yelling at scientists, National Geographics, to get out from Mount Pinabombo in the Philippines and make it to Clark Air Force Field before it gets buried under 2 tons of ash. I'm still pissed about that because a lot of stupid people haven't driven in the dark in a truck with high beams on because wasn't snowing. It had ash fall. We had lightning. I couldn't see jack, so I don't want to use that language, out through the front window because it's been caked pretty well. Now I've helped with the evacuation of all the KCs and B-52s out of Washington when, when the Mount St. Helens went on the other side. Wayne knows about that. A lot of people don't know I threw out a lot of dervis in the air. Now, right now, for little lady Prepper, I'm being very nice and gentle this time because Uncle Alan's kind of rough and Uncle Alan's kind of nuts. And I know a lot of people, they don't understand Uncle Alan. I'm very pale for a Japanese person because Uncle Alan's really sick. I have 2 of my doctor, one internalist, is really mad at me because I keep telling her they send me the wrong needles for my injection pens because when I use the syringe, the damn needles are breaking to me. I have a festering wound that she said I did a pretty good job. I used my forceps. I took out the broken needle. I used the suture. Yes, Hubbles, I know how to do that stuff. I still hurt like hell. They gave me some moxin. I had a little infection because the needle they gave me was Chinese. Great America. Great socialized medicine. I don't know. I have less trouble overseas than here in America with certain programs. Are they trying to kill me? I think so, because Uncle Alan's right now really damn paranoid. So hopefully, Hubbles, I will get this to the post office, proper paperwork and stamping. I use international stamps. I went through everything. I am going directly to the post office and mail this, even if I have to goose step it. Now I have medical bills. I have one because the state won't cover it. Thank you, you stinking Republicans and Democrats. They say, oh, 36.65. Great. It's supposed to be covered. I don't know what Gavin Newsom does in San Francisco, but it's pissing the hell out of me. Sorry, I have to have a drink of coffee. Uncle Alan's a little tired and Uncle Alan's a little sick. Also a little nuts. I hear the nephew's coming pretty soon. Lord, after they dumped crap on me this morning during the live stream with Will. Always enjoy going outside and grandnephew screaming, "Hey, Uncle Alan, come out!" Okay, here they come. I gotta go, kids. Bye.